How to use Uzum Market gift cards. First of all, open your web browser and go to the official website at uzum.use it. Make sure you are logged into your account. Next, browse the catalog and select the items you want to purchase, then add them to your cart. Once you are done shopping, go to the cart and click Proceed to Checkout. On the checkout page, you will see a field to enter your gift card code. Type in the code exactly as shown on your card or email, then click Apply. The gift card amount will be deducted from your order total. If the order amount is higher than the gift card balance, you can pay the remaining amount with your bank card, installment, or other available payment methods. If your gift card covers the full order amount, you won't need to pay anything extra. After confirming your order, you will receive a confirmation message and details in your account under My Orders. Now you know how to use Uzum Market gift cards. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more shopping tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.